Edible Fidget Spinner. So guys, we're gonna do a bunch of sour candy, make the Edible Fidget Spinner. And I wanna dedicate this video to my favorite YouTubers, Baby Teeth 4. The first video that I saw that they made, that was all their sour candy videos. That's why I kind of started my channel. So Baby Teeth 4, thank you for being awesome. This is for you guys. It looks yummy. Let's try it. Sour. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe if you're not. And don't forget, stay a little critic. Bye. See you later, alligators and crocodiles. Oh, alright guys, time for shoutouts. And yes, I'm under a table. Normal is not cool. Alright guys, our first shoutout goes to... Drum roll please. Today's shoutout goes to... Guys, I want to do a shout for this guy for the longest time. Such a cool YouTuber and such a nice person. Plus, if you think my hair's cool, check out this kid's hair. Go check out Planet Milo. He's really awesome. I always look forward to his videos. Alright guys, second shoutout goes to Eva Story Planet. She's a really cool YouTuber. Her videos are killing it. So go check out those two YouTubers. Tell them this critic sent you. So guys, we only do shoutouts on Tuesdays. That's why I forgot to do it the last Tuesday, and that's why I'm doing it today. If you want a shout out, see the directions down below. And don't forget, I'm doing 3 giveaways. I'm gonna link that video down below and somewhere around here. See you later, alligators. See you later, alligators and crocodiles. Thumbs up to Noisy Sisters. They make videos. The video is fun. I'm the best baby sister. Bye. Boom.